Check out this 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: stability control, adjustable steering wheel, engine immobilizer, CD changer, bucket seats, cell phone hookup, power outlet, and AM/FM stereo. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.